In the beginning, the Big Bang. All of space was filled with a white-hot, chaotic glow, a dense mixture of light and particles crashing and smashing together. And if we look up now, darkness. How did it come to this? Everything starts at a single point of space and time. At the moment of the Big Bang, matter and energy explode outwards from that point. And within 1 second, the universe has swelled to the size of a grapefruit. It's not immediately impressive, but actually, if that kept going, this grapefruit would engulf the entire galaxy in less than a second. After that first second, the expansion did slow, but it didn't stop, and it hasn't stopped yet. It's played a vital role in our existence. Not least of all because we couldn't all fit inside a grapefruit. As space expands, the objects within space move more slowly, because it takes them longer to get from A to B. Eventually, the constituents of the universe's primordial mess were moving slowly enough that they could form structures, which became stars and planets and people. And between these pockets of complexity, the spaces became wider and wider. It's because we can still see the universe expanding today that we first conceived of the idea of a Big Bang. Everywhere we look, galaxies are racing away from us, which means either we're at the centre of the universe, or else all of space is expanding, pushing everything further apart. If we run the film backwards, everything should have started at a single point. We can still see the afterglow of the Big Bang 14 billion years later on, which means, well, we can't see it with our eyes, we can only see it with telescopes. This light that was travelling through expanding space was stretched out to the point that we can't see it anymore. But this glow is found wherever we do point our telescopes. So, between the shining galaxies, which were formed because everything slowed down as the universe expanded, we have these vast, increasing spaces, and they're full of darkness, which we have to be thankful for to exist only because space has expanded.